how to add the indicators that you were just enabled for. So upon request, we will enable your TradingView username. And if you have the username TradingView account that is free, you can only have two indicators by default with TradingView. If you have the premium, then you can have multiple indicators. So I'm going to go ahead and I enabled myself for the indicators, and I'm going to go into indicators and I'm going to click on invite only. And then I'm going to click on the first one. And as you'll see some indicators appearing. I'm going to go ahead and click on the second one, and I get this message that my basic plan only allows me for two, and I can go up to premium. I'm not going to do it right now, but what I am going to do is I'm going to go back to my chart, and I'm going to delete the other indicator that I had in there. It was a strategy that was running, and I'm going to go back to indicators, invite only, and I'm going to click on my crossover signals. So now I got my main two indicators, which you can see are green squares and triangles, as well as red triangles and squares. And we will have a more detailed video on what the signals mean, but the main thing was to show you how to add those indicators to TradingView. Now you may get an initial warning that you need to contact the author because the indicator is invite only. At that point, I would recommend refreshing the chart. Also, if you add the indicator and you get like an exclamation mark that shows some error, again, just refresh the chart and you should be able to add the two main indicators. And just to give you a very quick explanation, when you get, let's say right here, a red triangle, that is a possible sell signal. I would look to see if the market broke below the previous bar low. And when it does, I will take a short. Okay, my initial stop will be above the recent high, and the recent high can be anywhere around this level or even this level, but this is up to you as a trader to decide. And once I'm in the trade, I'm going to share more details. We're going to share more details on suggestions on how to manage the trade, but the thought is that you will carry this trade until you get an exit level. The exit level is this green square, and that green square functions as two. One is exits for shorts, and the other one is a possible very aggressive counter trend long trade, as you can see here and here. Okay, if you continue to look, here's another counter trend aggressive long, but then we got a confirmation with the green triangle that is the early trend indicators. And if you went long, you would probably stay until this level when we got an exit signal. Now there's much more to it, but that is a topic for another video. So for now, thank you. And if you have any questions, please email the broker who activated your trial. Good trading, and remember, futures trading is risky, not suitable for everyone. And those indicators and studies are for educational purposes only, and past performance is not guarantee of any future results. Thank you and good trading.